Hello everyone, I am Deborah Fit Fab 50, where we are making it our own kind of special. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Well, as you can see, I don't have many ingredients out in front of me, and that is because one of the main ingredients for today's recipe is in the freezer, and that being the ice cream, you guys. We are going to be making a fried ice cream. I know, fried and ice, yeah. You get an image of a liquid mess, But you guys, just as long as the ice cream is solid, frozen, just as long as you have a good coating on it, and just as long as you cook it just to a few minutes in the right temperature of the oil, you guys, you will have yourself a delicious dessert. And today, you guys, I'm going to show you all how to make it. So stay with me, and we are going to put it all together coming up next. Okay everyone, let's go ahead and get into making what we need in order to coat this ice cream. And of course that is still in the freezer. So right here in this bowl, I've got some egg whites, and to it I am going to add some sweetener. And of course, being that this is a low carb recipe, use a sweetener of your choice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give this a whisk. Okay, and set this aside. Now for my coating. So you guys, again, because I'm keto, what I am using is this keto-friendly nut granola that has 2 grams of net carbs per serving. So this is absolutely spectacular as far as the ingredients are concerned. It's got sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut chips, almonds, pecans, erythritol, butter, water, cinnamon, salt, and monk fruit extract. Okay, so what I need to do with this though is I need to go ahead and grind it up a little bit so that we have a smoother texture coating. And also, if you feel as though you need to add some additional sweetener to this, then you can do exactly that. And also, because there's cinnamon in it, if you want a little bit more of a cinnamony flavor, then you can add some more cinnamon as well, you guys. Okay, let's start with that. And if you are interested in this makes an excellent snack as well as a cereal as well. I got this from Amazon. Okay, you guys, let's give it a blend. And I think we've got it. A nice coating. Perfection, you guys. All right, you guys, and there you have it. We've got the egg white, we've got the coating here, and all we need is the ice cream. So off to the freezer I go, and when we come back, we are going to be coating the ice cream. All right, everyone, we are going to work quickly here because it is hot. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this ice cream and we're going to roll it into our granola mixture. And then from there, we're going to go into the egg white, coat it thoroughly. And this is just so that the next coating of the crumbs will really stick to this. Make sure that this ice cream is packed into this coating, and this looks good. Pat it in. Make sure every inch is covered, as this is going to determine how well this is going to fry. And there we have it, you guys. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the rest of these and quickly put them back into the freezer. All right, everyone, these have been coated and they need to go back into the freezer immediately. If you ever wonder how quickly ice cream melts when you hold it in your hands, guys, fast, okay? The heat from your hands immediately melts this ice cream, so it's gonna go back in the freezer, I'm assuming for several more hours, so that we will be successful as far as frying this. So you guys, don't be surprised if I come back with you the next day. Hello everyone, welcome back. So it is in fact the next day. That ice cream had to go back into the freezer and harden again so that this recipe would be a success versus having a molten mess. So, all right, so in the meantime, what I am doing is I've got some avocado oil over in the pot, okay, that's heating up. And I also have some caramel sauce, okay, that I'm going to put on top of this ice cream when it is finished frying. And I've also got some homemade whipped cream. So you guys, I'm gonna go to the freezer and get the ice cream out. So go ahead and meet me at the stove. All right, everyone, so this is the pot that has the avocado oil. It needed to heat to 360 degrees. We are there. So we are going to put in our salad ice cream ball. And here we go, you guys. Oh my gosh. And that's it. About 8 to 10 seconds, in and out. And there we have it. Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's time to serve it. All right, everyone. So we are gonna put a little bit more of this caramel sauce on top. And I've already put some on the plate, as you can see, making it my own kind of special. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that, okay? And then for some of this homemade whipped cream. Just kind of pipe some of this on top. And there we have it. We've got fried ice cream, you guys. Nothing left to do but to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, and here it is, fried ice cream that has been topped with some caramel sauce along with some homemade whipping cream. Lord, I thank you. Let's give it a try. Ugh. Oh my gosh. You guys. I gotta give you a close up. Gotta give you a close up. And now for the taste. Oh my God. Oh, this is so good. Oh my goodness. I'll be with you guys in a minute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is absolutely delicious. We got the creaminess of the ice cream on the inside, and we've got that crunchy, cinnamon flavor on the outside, along with this caramel sauce and this heavy whipping cream. Absolutely delicious. You guys have got to give this a try. That's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So I'm gonna let you guys go so you can get on with this day. It is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, just as I am with this fried ice cream, you guys. Wow, I am just so impressed with this, and so you will be as well. So Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you guys, please do me the honor of doing so by hitting that subscribe button below. And you guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And enjoy.